Welcome to another episode of Tech with Shelton, and we getting ready to look at the LAXASFIT watch for women. So this is supposed to be a dope watch. We're gonna do an unboxing of it, and we're gonna get ready to see what do this watch got to offer for daily use, activities, exercise, and all that good things. So stay tuned. This is another episode of Tech with Shelton. So this is LAXAFIT for women, and this is a stylish, comfortable 4 millimeter case that come with it, and a 2 millimeter band with only 47 grams that it weight, featuring a gold frame with pink, white accessories, plus skin-friendly and breathable silicone bands. This right here, y'all, is one of the dopest female affordable smartwatches that I ever seen online that I copped it from. I'm gonna put the link in the descriptions and let's get to it. So we finna do the unboxing. So basically, this is for daily active activity, tracking motions like your steps, your heart rate, your sleep, as well as burning like calories, exercise, distance, and around the clock. You can unlock more data and features with connecting it to a mobile app. Okay, so this thing right here is basically one of the nicest female smartwatches I've seen. Not saying that it is your Apple, watch, or your Samsung Galaxy, or your Motorola, anything like that. But if you're trying to save some money and not to break the bank, you want to get you one of these, my ladies. So what it has, it is capable with Android and iOS phones, which is iPhone. It is Bluetooth, simple steps. It is running background, non-stop background as well, you know what I'm saying? So you get everything that's connected to it. So the features that's on there, you can make calls, just your basic things that a smartwatch would do. It got loudspeakers to it, good quality, excellent performance, a long battery life, fast charging, thanks to the 290 milliamp battery that's in it, that's silicone. It's excellent system that optimized smartwatch, and it delivers a daily use of battery of 5 to 7 days full charge. From 0 to 100 takes about only 2 hours, okay? It got a vivid display, boost high definition, and all that. So let's get ready to unbox this thing. See what it come with. Come with your usual stuff. Oh my God. I'm doing something all backwards, y'all. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the frame. We got the gold on there. All right. So it comes with the charging cable. Y'all. It comes with your silicone bands, which is dope. Not flabby like that Temu ones we seen last time. So that's good. Good on the skin. Yeah, feel great. And it comes with your with the face. Got the gold trim. So we're gonna get ready. Let's turn it on and see what it got. So let me wipe it off real quick. So we're gonna wipe it off and we're gonna turn it on. So it turns right on for me. As soon as I squeeze the button, boom. So you got your heart rate. You got the plastic on here. I'm gonna have to pull the plastic off and stuff, y'all. So see, do I wanna pull that plastic off? No, I think I'm gonna keep that plastic on there. So let's leave the plastic on there for right now. So let's see what all I got. So you got your heart rate. You got your date of your time. See, you got your tracking your exercise and all that good stuff. Timer watch. You can do a stopwatch. What else it got? It got runner performance, heart rates. See? What else we got? Let's see what else we got. What else do we got? Okay. And so you got all apps. So you got your steps, your exercise, Bluetooth, heart rate, sleep, phone, music, text messaging. You got everything you need with this, even a calculator on this thing, y'all. So if you don't want to break the bank, ladies, go and get you a nice LAXASFIT smartwatch for everyday uses and all that good stuff. So that's what it is, and that's what it was. This is another video of Tech with Shelton. Go get you one of these. It got the whole nine, everything you need. I'm gonna say I get this a 10 out of 10. So go subscribe to Go to Child Entertainment TV, share and like. And thank you for watching another episode of Tech with Shelton. Peace.